Hello guys! Welcome to Retire Rich YouTube channel, and in this video I will share a very important information with you, which is also shared with me from the group Traders Lounge. Okay? So this is intended for those, number one, who want to invest in the stock market but don't know how and where to start. Number two, to OFWs who want their savings to grow but do not know where to invest their hard-earned money. Number three, to those who are working and wanted to invest part of their salaries on a regular basis. And I will tell you right now. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you are notified about tips in investing, saving, just like this one. Okay? So one thing I'm about to tell you is this is about an investment opportunity offered by MyTrade in cooperation with Traders Lounge. So what is MyTrade and what is Traders Lounge? Okay, let's talk about that later on. Okay? But if you are a member of Traders Lounge, malamang alam mo na tong investment opportunity na to. So to those who are not members of Traders Lounge, let me talk to you about this opportunity called Marge. Okay, listen carefully. MyTrade and Traders Lounge team up to offer you the chance to invest in the stock market with the following advantages. Number one, the required minimum capital is very minimal. Number two, if you are a TL member, you can open a MyTrade account for as low as 5,000 pesos. Number one pa pala yun. Number two, MyTrade research team will guide you on what stocks to buy and when to buy for free. Ibig sabihin, free yung advice. Okay, number three, total control of your investment. Number four, mitigated risk. So first advantage is minimum capital. So alam mo ba na noong araw ay hindi ka papansinin ng mga brokers pag hindi milyones ang investment capital mo? Ngayon, for as low as 5,000 pesos, you can now invest in the stock market. MyTrade made it possible. Second advantage is MyTrade research team will advise you on when and what stocks to buy and sell. And that is free advice. So, that privileges were provided only to those premium accounts noong araw, or several thousands, if not millions worth of investment capital. But for now, small or big investors, you will avail of these privileges. So the third advantage is total control of your money. Since you are the one who will execute your trades with the advice of MyTrade, you will have full control. Yung sense of security, yun ang gusto natin eh. And you have full access of your money. And the fourth advantage is mitigated risk. Investment guys, with mitigated risk, there are ways to mitigate risk, which is part of the guidance that MyTrade provides. Sounds good? Okay. So now, let's talk about MyTrade. What is MyTrade? MyTrade is a stock brokerage firm, the online arm of Abacus Securities, one of the oldest brokers in the Philippines, with a very good track record with regards to picking the right stock to invest. Their research head, Mr. Nicky Franco, has over 20 years of Philippine equity research and investment strategy experience covering various sectors. He successfully launched MyTrade, which is the country's most advanced online trading platform. He was tagged by Forbes Asia as top 5 best stock pickers in 2006. He's a CPA, he is a CFA, at ang makukuha mo talaga advice, hindi yung putyo-putyo lang. Okay? So now, what about Traders Lounge? Ano nga ba ang Traders Lounge? Hello! Hello! Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Sa Traders Lounge nagsimula ang lahat ng perks na nakukuha natin sa My Trade. And the most important thing is the lessons and the learnings that I and you will or you get from TL, which is absolutely free. Hindi mo makikita yan sa iba. TL's advocacy is to teach willing individuals to learn stocks trading or the stock market itself and build a safe trading community, especially for the newbies. That's why I encourage you to join the Traders Lounge from the very start. At kung disukumpyado ka sa information na na-share ko sa inyo ngayon, please join Traders Lounge and check for yourself. Now, before I will end this video, let me state my disclaimer also here. So note that I am not paid nor sponsored by MyTrade or Traders Lounge to do this video. Okay, I did this willingly because I personally believed in their services as a MyTrade user and a Traders Lounge member. So that's it, guys. If you feel you learned something in this video, consider subscribing and tap the notification bell so that you will not miss anything. And if you already did, wala, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And paki-share and like naman ang video na to. And I will see you next time.